I'll just be looking for pullbacks from these areas around the 37.30s, around the 37.15s. So let's build a bias for gold and plan some trade ideas using Market AI. So we can see that gold has been hitting new all-time highs as it's been pricing in rate cuts from the Fed. The market bias is bullish with bullish projections, which we're about to tap pretty soon around the 37.50s, and some bearish pullback areas around the 36.70s where buyers can step back in from. So why is gold been so bullish is because the markets have been pricing in further rate cuts from the Fed, 2 rate cuts on their dot plot in their summary of economic projections, geopolitical risks, which also have been weighing on the price of gold, giving it that bullish support, central bank demand also contributing to that price strength. And something to keep in mind is with this technical momentum, we can see some pullbacks, especially from this bullish projection 3750 area, from the psychological price level. Well, if gold does see some deeper pullbacks into like the 3700s, it won't be anything out of the ordinary. And so markets are in active buying mode with Fed easing signals holding the most weight, which we know are bullish for gold. And just something to keep in mind is your live news feed. It can give you some updates if there's any developments in any of these areas, which can impact the price of gold, and not just for gold, but any asset class that you trade. So let's go to the charts now and plan some trade ideas. So with gold being really bullish, I'll just be looking for pullbacks from these areas around the 37.30s, around the 37.15s. And if gold does some deeper pullbacks coming back below the 3700s, I'll just be a lot more patient as we can get some deeper corrections and pullback as market has told us. And also with this bearish projection around the 3670s. So if you want to be able to build bias like this for any asset class, go to marketedge.ai.